everybody, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got something fascinating. We've got Chun's Veggie Tonkotsu Ramen, Japanese style. And what is Japanese style without carrot and corn? And I'm hoping that broth is just like a bad picture and it's actually milky. We'll see. We'll see. But anyways, let's get to the task at hand, giving this a try. So, first off, we drop in our noodles. This will get microwaved for 2 minutes. I don't know how good of an idea that is, but we shall see. Hope you're having an enjoyable morning. It's Wednesday here as we approach the 1500th episode of the award-winning Instant Noodle Recipe Time program. Do I get an award? It's a lot. It'd be nice. The kids might give me an award. But we'll see. Do I get an award for losing my scissors? Now, there were people that were like playing a drinking game every time I lost my scissors. The butlers. Nice folks. They sent me noodles from Italy. They went on a special trip and they sent me noodles from Italy. It's like they took time out of their vacation to get something for me, and I don't even know these people. It's like, geez, how nice is that? A lot of nice people in the world, in the noodle world. But let's throw our... Boy, this broth, ladies and gentlemen, is nearly black, which doesn't really make me think of tonkotsu. It's veggie tonkotsu. Ah, I'm gonna bet this is mushroom laden. What the... It smells like tuna fish, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Fill it to the line. Let's get this as precise as possible. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, 2 minutes of cooking will start almost immediately. We put this lid on loosely. Loosely. Now, it's set for 2 minutes. This is a 1250 watt microwave. It's not a microwave to trifle with. Microwave is not a game, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, no, yeah. All right, here we go. So it's taken a spin. Usually, if you're not familiar with tonkotsu, tonkotsu is a milky pork bone broth. This is fine to be a vegetable broth, but I'm not getting the milkiness. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I've got another egg, I've got chashu, I've got the veggies all at the ready. Yeah. Vegan for the vegan folk. It's got potassium. Ooh, right there. Ah. It's funny. I carried in a whole bunch of junk groceries and stuff the other day. It was no big deal. But then I just like move my arm in just the right spot, and all of a sudden, like right here, feels just like somebody's taking a Ginsu knife and going, yeah. It hurts. It stings. I'm curious. I'm hoping this is good. I don't root for a noodle to be horrible. When I get one that's horrible, actually, I'm kind of stoked about it because maybe that's going to be a contender for my bottom 10 list. But I really want just to be able to have 5-star reviews all the time, but that doesn't always happen. I'm rooting for this one, really. This is something that's easy to access for the US public and grocery stores. It's better if it's good, right? For everybody. But we shall see. So it just had a 2-minute ride in the macrowave, ladies and gentlemen. Let me make sure there isn't any additional doings to be done. That's it. Caution. It'll be hot. Why will it be hot? I don't know. Why would it be hot? Whoa. Ow, mother. It is hot. They weren't lying. I mean, this is like molten lava right now. So, let's look at our broth's color. I guess you could kind of... This looks more like shoyu than anything. Maybe miso. I don't think it's going to taste like tonkotsu, shoyu, or miso. I'll make it look the part. I do have coconut milk, but I'm not wasting it on this. Non-dairy creamer would definitely bump up that broth look to it. The guinea pigs are going insane. Uh-oh. It's an omen. Here. Why don't you come have a look-see? The guinea pig omen. That's Petunia. She's being a nutso right now. She's doing her laps. Go get him, Petunia. Go, go, go. Go on. Well, she was going crazy. I don't have time to wait for guinea pigs, nor do you. You want to know how this is, so... The noodle. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. There is our broth. There is our tonkotsu broth. Look at that. I don't know what that tastes like. If somebody sat there and was like holding a gun to my head and saying, what flavor is that? What does that taste like to you? The first thing that would come to my mind is like beef and mushroom. I'm so confused right now. Look at that lovely tonkatsu broth. I don't even know. Hey, you be nice out there. I'm gonna bite your eye clean off. Are you done with your tablets? Shush. Okay. Be nice over there. Ignore Miles and his attempts to make you irritated. You don't have a job, Mimi. He can tell you to get to work, but it's not going to do much. Miles keeps telling Mimi to go to work. I'm not a grown-up yet. You're not. You don't have to go to work, Mimi. Your only job is going to school. And you don't have to go to school today. Because it's Wacky Wednesday, and you don't have school on Wednesdays. You will next year. But for now, you're good to go. So don't worry. Don't allow your big brother to razz you. I don't want to hear it either. Only one going to work today is you, Miles. Sit up. Are you done with your tablets? Shush. Shush. Miles. You're going to take your hat and throw it in the trash. Now shush. Stop bugging your sister. Sit up. Miles. Thank you. They must be able to tell that. Wow, why is all this? I'm really irritated with Epidemic Sound this time around for my music picks. Not because I picked great stuff, but because all this stuff was supposed to be instrumental. It's like, that gets mislabeled a lot. I think, and I don't think Epidemic spends all the time. I think it's the content creators that are like, well, I don't have an instrumental version, but you know, people will like it still. And it's like, no, that was crap. See, this is instrumental. Wow, well, I'm gonna tell you right now, no amount of gussying this up is gonna make it a 5-star. Even if I don't review based on what I add. There's nothing that could be done to this as far as preparation that would have made this anything but a 0-star. And this is like really bugging me. That will be the 3rd 0-star variety I've had this month. I think there's a reason why I haven't been going for certain varieties that are like low-hanging fruit at the grocery store, because I know that a lot of them are absolutely horrible. And this is like insulting. I know they've got food scientists that are definitely worth their salt, and this is just tragic. What if you had somebody who, and this is like, oh yeah, I love tonkatsu, and then they went to the grocery, or they went to a ramen restaurant, got some tonkatsu, and they're like, what's that? That's not tonkatsu. That looks like clam chowder. It's not clam chowder. It's tonkatsu. But any Chun's doesn't have that in it. Well, unfortunately. Yeah, this really bugs me when they just like, let's call it tonkatsu. I'm gonna call it big bowl of poop. All I can say, Annie Chun, wherever you are, strike back at your cruel taskmasters that have taken your name and sullied it by calling this Tonkotsu. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I'll come out with something else tomorrow. It can only get better from here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.